Dr. Roberson here with RR Dentistry, and I have a cool, informative tip for you. If you've ever wanted to straighten your teeth and you've thought, my teeth are okay, but your bottom teeth are crowded, did you know that your bottom teeth are actually more socially important than your top teeth? You see your top teeth when you smile, but your bottom teeth everybody sees when you're interacting with them. So keep that in mind. A social selfie. If you're on Zoom or Instagram or you take selfies, if you've ever taken a video and watched and paid attention to your bottom teeth, you show your bottom teeth all the time when you're interacting and talking with other people. If you want to get your bottom teeth straight and your top teeth straight, come see us. We'd love to do Invisalign and other companies, other aligners to straighten the teeth, get your bite right. Not only will your teeth look better, not only will they function and chew better when you're interacting with other people like you are with me, you can see the bottom teeth and everything will get straight. Come see us.